So this is 7 weeks following an L3/4 lumbar decompression and stabilization. You had a foot drop on that left side before the surgery, and how is it now?
Totally fine. It's like good as new.
Good. And in terms of your posture?
Feels
good.
Solid, yeah, feels good.
You feel you've recovered now fully from the operation?
I feel fully recovered. I just feel that I need to go and do some Pilates or something, but in terms of
just
the mechanics of my skeleton, it feels
good.
Yeah.
Because your posture looks good. Just bend a little bit. Let's just check your flexibility. Good. Yeah. Yeah, you can go all the way if you want.
Well, my leg.
Not bad. Not bad. That is really good.
Yeah.
I mean, that's more than what I can do. Let's put it that way. And side view?
What do you mean like?
Yeah, just standing on a side. Just
Okay.
look. Yeah, perfect. Great.
Okay.
All done. Discharge.
Yeah. Okay.